of second convocation ceremony.
The MIT ADT University is a unique institution in the country where the disciplines of art, design and technology, the fields of learning are taught and practiced at one place. It's my privilege and honor to welcome you all to the second convocation of MIT Arts, Design and Technology University being solemnized in the Sant Gyaneshwar World Peace Dome, Hall and Library, the largest dome in the world and the most prominent edifice in the city of Pune.
MIT Pune has always maintained its leadership in education. It has provided relevant education from time to time, and which used to be the need of the society, which used to be the need of the youth of the society. MIT Art, Design and Technology University was conceptualized as a university which is an amalgamation of Indian philosophy and global understanding.
MIT ADT University is not just about art, design and technology. For me, whatever the little association that I have for a couple of years with MIT ADT, for me it represents the high ambition, the determination and the T is for transformation. So I call MIT ADT is a place where you are graduating today, where the skills are built to realize the sky-high ambition of yours with rocky determination and for a lifelong transformation of yours.
Education should not be just for examination passing, but it be more oriented towards acquisition of the knowledge. It's just not acquisition of knowledge alone, but at the same time, this knowledge should be used to solve the problems of society. The innovative solution has to come from the youth. Youth has to think differently and they have to take on the challenges of facing the issues of the society in a big way and contribute to the nation building.
On this very occasion, when you are leaving the ports of this institution with very high, wonderful, qualified degrees, the gold medalists, the prize winners, you have also a duty hereafter to make this India a very unique country, to show the pathway of harmony and peace to mankind.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing. close to harmony when the world is sound asleep. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.